track mode is on.
The traction gets off though when you're in that mode.
Oh shit! It has launch control, bro. It has launch control.
Yeah, no, check me out.
That shit is fun. God damn.
This shit's dangerous, nigga. Ah, this shit's dangerous, man. No. Don't notice the cops, nigga.
Where?
I'm just saying, you're from the cops. See, I looked at
That shit is fucking dope, bro.
Fuck these niggas. Alright, no more pulls, bro. It's a brand new.
Go, one more time.
That's only 80 miles, nigga.
That shit is fucking dope.
I haven't even hit 100 or nothing like that, nigga.
Shit. We did it earlier. Right now.
That's a rocket, huh? But wait till I get my tires. My tires, that shit gonna buck,
that shit
nigga.
is fucking sick. Look at you got performance gauges, my nigga.
Fuck.
You can add more gauges. Shows you what gear you're in. Oh shit, that's sick. Oh shit. Look at it, has a dyno.
My old one had that too. You gotta relax. The blower told me hella hard. I told you
fucking
it digs,
sick, bro.
Fool. Worth 70 bands or not? Worth every fucking penny, nigga.
I want to see you do the launch control.
Nah, bro. The car's too. We can't do it, bro.
No. This is gonna make it go. It's gonna make it go.
We already hit on the car too much. We already hit on it.
Watch. No, when we stop at the house, I'll show you. Again? Well, how does it do it?
What's up with my intake on it, nigga? What's up with my intake on it? She's
That's
gonna
fucking
fucking
sick.
hella scream, nigga. Launch control unavailable because I'm moving.
I know. I was trying to wait for you to stop.
We're not doing it, fool. The car's brand new, bruh.
No,
I can't
we're
fuck with it.
straight.
Right?
Oh, watch.
What's your rating, nigga? What's your rating?
This is fucking a 10 out of 10. This is cool.
When it breaks in, I'm gonna let you whip it when it breaks in.
Okay, keep it in drive.
Fool, we're not doing it.
Put it. No, in drive. Come on. Hold the brake with one foot, the other foot. Okay. Gas it. Wait. How do you activate it?
You gotta put a certain RPM and shit.
Damn.
Fuck it, fool. Fuck it.
Figure out how to use this.
I'll do it.
That shit is sick. Shift late.
Let me see if it's good outside.
That shit is sick.
that's
Fucking
oil,
technology, bro.
It's just fun enough.
That shit is fun.
All
Thanks,
right, bro.
Rib.
Alright, my nigga. Till next time.
Alright, my nigga. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.